Hey, do you want people to like you? Do you want them to really like you just gave them a lot of money? It's actually very simple to get somebody to like you that much. The trick is to let them talk about themselves. Harvard did a study and they hooked people up to these machines and noticed that when they asked that person questions about themselves, hey, do you like snowboarding? Do you prefer coffee or tea? Even simple, stupid little questions about themselves, all of a sudden when that person spoke about themselves, the side of their brain lit up as if they had just given that person money or great food or even sex. It's the same components in your brain that start to fire and get you excited and get you to like that other person when you talk about yourself. So the next time you're having a conversation and you want that person to like you, just let them go on and on and on about themselves and keep asking them more questions about them. They'll love you for it. My name's Matt Easton. Consider following me for more tips on how you can be successful in business and life.